My name is Kirk Schlafer. I am a general surgeon. From a very early age, I just felt very, very drawn to connect with people in a way that physically intervenes in a way that's meaningful to them. I picked something that was probably the most hands-on that I could think of, and that was surgery, and I am so glad that I made that choice. It is something that you take very seriously. This is somebody who is trusting their body to you. So first and foremost, it is a desire for attention to detail, a desire to first do no harm, and a desire to leave the person better off than when you first met them. My first approach is to listen and to have a real human-to-human conversation and figure out what are the reasons why this person is not in their happy place. It really is a team approach. It's not just me fixing things. It's very much the surgeon and patient working together to bring a plan to fruition. Those are the folks that always do the best. It's very satisfying when you get done with the case and you just have that feeling, yeah, this one, we brought this one home.